Sculptures. Sculptures. Sculptures are works of art that are often carved or molded out of wood, clay, metal, or ice. Sirens. Sirens. Sirens are special equipment on fire trucks and police cars that make a loud, wailing sound. Strumming. Strumming. Strumming is a sound made by brushing your fingers against guitar strings. Surrounded. Surrounded. If something is surrounded, it is completely enclosed on all sides. Taxi. Taxi. A taxi is a car that you must pay to ride in. Trumpets. Trumpets. Trumpets are instruments made out of a metal tube that loops around and flares open. Violins. Violins. Violins are instruments that have strings and are played with a bow. Visited. Visited. Visited means stopped by to see someone. Yelped. Yelped. If someone yelped, they shouted a quick bark or cry